Hi, it's Steve from PartSelect. Today we're going to show you how to change the right drawer slide on your refrigerator. Easy job. All we're going to need is a Phillips screwdriver. Let me show you how it's done. To begin this repair, the first thing we should do is remove any of the extra shelving in here that we don't need that will be in the way. Next, we'll remove the produce drawer and the glass shelf. Just simply tilt up on the back, push backwards, and lift it out. Next, we need to remove the two screws that hold the rail to the side of the refrigerator. Just one located about the middle position. And one right at the very front. Simply lift the existing rail out, install our new rail. We need to make sure that we locate the front edge of it in underneath the trim. Locate the one in the middle. Don't over tighten the screw. Locate the front screw hole. Again, don't over tighten that screw. Now if we've dislodged the light shield at the back, reposition it properly. Now we're ready to reinstall crisper shelf. And reinstall the drawer. Reinstall the shelving that we removed. And our repair is complete. That's just how easy it is to change the drawer slide on your refrigerator. Thanks for watching. Good luck with your repair.